Hey, I'm Marco. I'm the principal developer of the Artisan roasting software. Mid-June I went to the World of Coffee Expo in Milan to present Artisan as well as our inventory management system Artisan Plus and our devices Tonino and Colino. In this video I want to share the things I learned on recent developments in roasting machine technologies. Let's get started. I did skip the barista and even the roasting competitions, which are for sure covered elsewhere. Compliment to Felix from Austria for becoming the 2022 roasting champion. I also missed all those fine lectures and workshops at the show, but I managed to quickly walk through the always busy Roaster Village, where roasters from all over Europe presented their roasts. Behind the village, next to the roast stand, I spotted my friend Fotis presenting his reusable brewing filters. They are made from a high-tech material, woven with precision, and are available for all brewing devices and with various hole sizes. A candidate for the show's Best Product Award. The most interesting entry I saw was the Unifilter. I asked Gabor from Smart Espresso Profiler to give it a try.
The Marco is there.
The Unifilter didn't make it, but Moen did it again with another of their syrup. A never-ending success story. The new 6 kg Garanti Focca Modular Superstructure Roaster was awarded as the best roasting tool. Interesting color, an efficient premix burner, and a lamp integrated into the bean hopper, but the shape of the machine looks familiar to me.
We're closed. Hello, Marco.
IKAWA presented their home and pro sample roasters and introduced IKAWA Cup, providing cupping support as part of their free IKAWA Pro app. This works also without having a connection to an IKAWA machine. Besca introduced their 1 kg tabletop BSC01, including digital drum speed and fan control, as well as a modulating premix burner. Artisan comes with a one-click setup for this machine, providing full control for all those actors, offering full automation and profile replay.
Also, we have to activate the function, otherwise I cannot.
Next, Artisan will add event buttons to operate also the optional pneumatics on all Besca full automatic roasters. Machines from Brambati, IMF and Loring recirculate the exhaust air to reduce emissions and increase energy efficiency. Their norm roast consumption results will show how effective this approach is compared to non-circulation roasters. Note that all these machines come with pneumatics, allowing to automate the filling and releasing of the beans.
Hey, I recognize you.
I know.
Yeah, say too. Hello. Tipo questo, dipende. Perché cazzo hanno fatto così? Per
Hi there!
Hello, Marco.
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you. Thank you.
Coffeetech did upgrade both of their 2.5 kilo electric roasters. They feature now a touch panel and a fast network connection. The F-set allows for full modulation of its 3 heating elements as well as the drum and fan speeds, also from within Artisan. Overall, very impressive looking machines with well thought out designs. For example, here the air is taken through small holes at the top front of the air-sealed machine and guided over the hottest part of the machine, getting preheated before it feeds the modern premix burner, and finally enters the drum in a way that produces a vortex within the drum. All measures to improve the efficiency of the machine. Giesen introduced their W6 Pro. It achieves a max batch size of 7 kg through increased efficiency. The interior is better insulated and it features a modern premix burner. It comes with the Giesen profiling software, a suction-based screen transport system and advanced automation. The steerer, the cooling fan, the discharge and the intake can be controlled through the software, and its advanced cooling system, which includes a cooling temperature sensor and a modulating cooling fan, can cool down a batch in less than 2 minutes. Giesen also showed a prototype of its full electric 15 kilo roaster, which benefits from similar efficiency optimizations. This one features a dual heating system combining the standard electric coil system from the W6E with some form of an electric heat gun system. The W15E will be available next year.
Basically, capacity 15 kilo per batch. You can put 15, you can put 12, you can put 13, but you can't put the 15 kilo green beans. This is the control panel. Actually, everything works with the control panel.
The Probat UG comes now with an upgraded PLC, which allows Artisan to take full control over all installed actors, including, of course, the burner. The electric P1, soon to replace the Probatino, did not make it to the show, nor the P12 electric, both being still under development. However, Probat did present the P5 electric with a beautiful, bright artistry. Its newly developed and highly performant electric heating system achieved the same control as its gas-driven twin, also at full batch size.
Aber am Anfang ist schon gar nicht so verkehrt. Oh nee.
Stronghold from South Korea presented their larger S9 machine for up to 7 kilo batches. As the smaller 1 kilo machine, it features a fixed vertical drum. Such a fixed drum simplifies the measurement of its surface temperature. To minimize heat loss, the machine combines an in-drum hot air heater with a radiation heater.
If you have any questions, please raise your hand and we can answer. Yeah.
Maybe you already mentioned, but I see no smoke. You use a water filter or something.
Yes. So actually, we get this question a lot. We have roasted 6-7 kilos in here as well, and the reason why there's no smoke or smell is because we actually have a smoke filter in the back. It doesn't come with the unit automatically, but you can purchase it separately, and you can actually roast. Well, I don't recommend maybe roasting in a small room, but we can actually do demonstrations here. So right on the tablet we have Roastware, the software that we use to control the hardware here built in, and you can review your profile, replay the profiles. You can actually send the profiles to other people with the machine. So for example, if you
ROEST presented their P2000 and aillio their aillio. Both machines are not just bigger versions of their smaller brothers, they are positioned as production machines. The two machines come with similar technical specifications. The batch size of the aillio aillio is 2 kilos and the one of the ROEST might getting an upgrade to 3 kilos and sold as a P3000. The size is comparable and the weight as well. Both machines run on standard home plugs to drive their electric heating system. The aillio comes with an inductive heater supported by a smaller air heater. The ROEST just features an air heater. The drum in the aillio is rotating while the drum in the ROEST is fixed. The aillio cools the beans in a second internal drum, while the ROEST has an external bean cooler. Both machines are supported by cloud software. The ROEST also supports other software systems via its open API. The aillio has a built-in automatic feeder and releaser system, which is optional on the ROEST. Finally, for both machines, an external smoke reduction system will be available. It seems that the focus of development shifts towards energy efficiency, electric heating, and automation. Automation has the potential to fundamentally disrupt small roasting operations. The first 2 points were on the agenda already to fight global warming, but recent developments seem to accelerate this process. The rising energy costs call for energy efficiency, and the uncertain gas supply, mostly in Europe, calls for alternative heating methods. One last thing. Don't follow the recent advice to heat up your machine slower to save energy. Any explanation referring to the eco mode of your washing machine is pure nonsense. This will not work if basic principles of physics are respected, and is not at all related to the energy savings achievable by driving slower.